Hi, I'm John Emmerling. In my career, I've been a cartoonist, a gag writer, an author, an advertising creative guy, and a lifelong dog nut. In fact, for the last 2 years, I've been doing a cartoon blog. Well, actually, it's my dog Max's cartoon blog. It's called Max Says. Max sounds off on current events, scientific breakthroughs, and, well, just about anything that strikes his fancy. A few months ago, Max came up to me. Hi, Max. What's up, Max? You don't have any secrets? No, and I wondered about that. Okay, Max, why do dogs sniff hydrants? Max was not only willing to tell me his secrets, but he was willing to leak them to the entire world. A book? Won't other dogs be mad? You know, Max, I could probably help you with your book. I'm a cartoonist. I know about publishing and I'm a promotion guy, so I think it might be good to have me on the team. What do you think? I also have a liver treat. So I've been doing all the cartoons for Max on my iPad. Here's how a virtual Max takes shape. What are you going to call your book? Is that up for discussion? Max has already revealed every single secret to me, and I'm working on the cartoons. This book will finally answer these mystifying questions. Why do puppies pull on the leash? Why do dogs love, really love, the beach? But why do dogs hate baths? Why do the boy dogs lift a leg to pee? And finally, that age-old mystery, why do dogs sniff other dogs' butts? Okay, Max, let's talk about what this is going to cost. You're going to need a book designer, an editor, a tech guy to upload it, a good e-publisher, and a hotshot book publicist. Very smart, Max. So, Max, think of it, if this project gets funded, your book gets published, and your secrets get spread around the world. What a magnificent accomplishment. I think you're looking at a Nobel Prize here.